Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling.
All right, YouTube, so here it is, the rock light kit that I'm gonna put on my Hummer H2. Here's pretty much everything that's included here. There's the box. It comes with the app that you download to control everything, adjust the colors. This does have music control as well, and all different colors you could think of. I think this has like over 1 million colors. So you got the control unit here with this octopus looking thing that has 8 different connectors to run 8 different lights to your different locations. I got 2 extensions so that I can reach the far corners of the vehicle. Instructions, and then you got 8 of these actual rock lights. Now these are heavy quality. These are not plastic. These are actually metal. They're actually metal, so I think they're gonna last a lot longer than some of the cheaper plastic ones out here. This kit was about 60 bucks, I believe, give or take. So definitely a well quality kit for the price. Also, each rock light itself comes with 2 different styles of mounting. You got the flat one here, if you're mounting it against a flat surface. And you also got a curved one. So if you're gonna mount it on a roll bar or a side step or something like that with the flat surface to actually mount the rock light. So I think it's a pretty great kit for the price and for the money. But the real test is the performance. And I'm gonna shoot a video afterwards to obviously show how it looks. So here we go. All right, YouTube, so I got the rock lights installed, got the control unit mounted right there. I have the driver's side rock lights ran down this side, going to the wheel well. On the passenger side, down that way, going into the wheel well. I'm gonna put some insulator over that to tidy it up a bit, but just wanted to shoot a quick video since I got everything installed. Let me walk around this way. It'll be easier to show you the lights. And again, I'm going to shoot a video tonight when it gets dark, but just wanted to show you in daylight where I got everything installed. So underneath here, you can see the passenger side front wheel well rock light coming around down the side. And again, I got all the wires ran underneath here. I took this off. All the wires are neatly tucked inside of here, coming down. Then if you look under here, okay, there's the first light, and there's no wires visible. They're all hiding underneath the plastic panel there, coming down. There's another one right there. And then finally, the last one right there underneath the rear passenger side wheel well, and it's completely mirrored on the other side. So no reason to show you the other side there, but I'm gonna shoot a video tonight of how it looks in the dark, and I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and fast forward till night. All right, so here is the final effect here in my garage, and it is just so bright. I mean, it lights up the entire garage. It is unbelievable, but I think it looks pretty cool and definitely gives the desired effect that I was looking for. I mean, it is just unbelievably bright. Look at that. It just leaves a really cool glow. And the controls here, I really like it. I mean, you can do all these different presets. Here's red, green, flashing, blue, and you can completely control the speed too of how fast you want it to pulsate. If you want to go slower, you just bring it down slower. You want it to go faster, you just bring it up faster. And then you got, let's see here, you can manually adjust the color. So you pick a base color that you want, and then you just kind of, where's that? You can just kind of adjust it to where you want. Move it here, move it here, move it down here, which is pretty cool. Kind of like that. And then obviously down here, you got the settings, right? You got the style, and then you got strobe functions too. And you can set the colors for this. Let's see, that's a rainbow jumping change. And then you got different strobe colors. Like there's purple strobe, and you can control the speed of the strobe too. So you can just take that little lever there and just kind of, that's kind of cool. A real slow strobe, a little bit faster. It's pretty cool. I like the rainbow, kind of shows all the colors there. But then you got some music, and then it actually plays to your music. I don't want to play too much here for copyright reasons, but let me just really quick here. There, you guys got a picture. That's pretty cool. Kind of just beats to the tonier music there, which I think is pretty sweet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's other functions here, which I haven't played with yet, but I really just wanted to kind of show some features here, what I'm pretty excited about. But yeah, it turned out really, really well. And again, for the amount of money and the amount of labor, which was minimal, I think it's a pretty cool result. So just wanted to shoot a quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed.